Okay, what we have here is a UTG clamp-on bipod, and I got this because I didn't really want to drill any holes in the stock of my Mossberg 817, and there's really no I guess easy way to mount a bipod other than to get a clamp on, considering that I don't want to drill or tap or do anything to the existing stock. So what I did, went online and I found this from UTG, and it's very simple to use. Basically, there's a wheel here. Let's see if you can see that. And with this wheel right here, it allows you to increase or decrease tension on this strap here. So once you get the strap cinched in place, you can just wheel this up or down depending upon the diameter of the barrel, and lock it in place. And as you can see, it comes apart quite easily. And there's a lip here. You can see that. See if you can see that. Okay, there's a lip there. And a catch down here. So basically you just get it into the right position, cinch that in place, and begin twisting the wheel until you get positive lock on it. And let's see here. Okay, just wheel that, and you can feel it get tighter, tighter, and then you can really cinch it down and make sure that everything is not really moving. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so that's on pretty good. Alright, and the bipod does in fact fold up as well. You have a button on the side here, which can slide back or slide down, and one on this side, slide it down, and it folds up nicely. It's pretty firm in place. In order to deploy it, you just pull down and drop it. Push down. Okay. Try that again from this side here. Okay. Alright. Now, in the event that the bipod is not tall enough, you can extend it by simply twisting this here and spring load it, shoots down. And then of course you can tighten it up so that it doesn't move or slide down. And of course you can adjust them independent of each other. So there we have raised up and ready to go. So that was a little high, I think. No, I'll leave it up there. And it's dusk now, so I'm just going to take a couple shots and see how the bipod reacts to the recoil. Let me see here. Just want to make sure I got that good and cinched down. And you do yourself a little bit of favor by having enough room between the stock and the wheel so that you can use both hands in order to get the maximum tension on that as you can. Okay, so that was the clamp-on UTG bipod, and I think it's a real nice addition to this rifle. And there you have it. Okay, here is the target, and the UTG bipod really helps stabilize things. And as I said, I think it's a great addition to the rifle. It's not very expensive. I think I paid maybe 20 some odd dollars for it, and very easy to go on and off the rifle. And it does have a rubber liner. Okay, and it does have a rubber liner here and here to help protect the finish on your barrel.